Hello and welcome. We're going to have a look today at the amazing features of this particular software, which is called SEO Elite. And if you're actually into SEO or trying to get into SEO, this really is just about a must-have piece of software. It does amazing things that gives you complete advantage over your competitors in the marketplace. And just to give you an example here, let's have a look at some of its features. What it can do is analyze backlinks firstly using a specific search engine, so we can actually type into a site and see what other sites are linking into that particular site, and also gives us amazing features like PR value, IP addresses, anchor text, so you can actually see what your competitors are doing and how they're doing it, and in essence you just go away and do it better. It also gives you the facility to actually get links into your site. We'll have a little close look at that a bit later on. Also, we can analyze all in anchor text and all in title and all in text for specific sites. That's important because we need to see which sites are using specific keywords in the anchor and title tags of their sites. Also, we can verify that link partners are still linking back to us. So if we place links into our site, we can always do a regular check to see if these people are actually linking back to us. Also, within this particular software, you can find where your site is ranked for a given keyword and term. So we can specify specific keywords, and it will go out and tell us on Google, for example, exactly what position you're ranking and what page. Also, we can check how many pages of our site are actually indexed within Google. Now, this is important because obviously content is very important, and if we've got a lot of pages indexed and a lot of content, we've got a much better chance of getting traffic to our sites. Also, gives us the facility to find possible authority websites on the internet. And I think we all know the importance of getting links off authority sites as and when possible. Google gives much better credence to this type of thing, and also will push your particular website or websites further up through the search engine should you have these types of links. Also, a relatively recent feature that's come to this particular product is submit your articles to article directories. Again, this is an area where can one produce traffic, but also exponentially create thousands upon thousands of backlinks into your particular website or websites. So first and foremost, what we'll have a look at today first, and we'll be doing through a series of these, is basically analyzing backlinks through a specific search engine. So I've actually just picked this particular site, which is called allergy-details.com. You can specify in this area here exactly how many maximum results. I'll put it basically at, right, let's see, let's get to 500. There you go. We can specify which search engines we'd like to use. In this case, I've ticked really the main ones, which is Google, Yahoo, and MSN. Here we can basically skip the particular URLs. I haven't put anything in there. Also, if we want to only return sites that contain these keywords, if we want to put that in, then we'll leave that blank for now, but we could actually do that if we wanted to. And also on the criteria, we can show us Alexa rank, the age of web pages, Google PR, the who is information. For the nature of this exercise, what we're going to do is basically request, we want to see the PR ranking of any particular page that's coming in. So once we're ready with that, we just click OK, and the SEO Elite software goes out onto the internet and finds all the links that are basically coming back in to this particular website. Now we'll look at the threads view over here, but what we'll all do first, we'll click the report view, and if we can just click up here, that will put everything in chronological order, and will start showing us in order basically of PR level the quality of links that are coming in. Obviously here, if we wanted to, we could click on any one of these and go directly to the page to see where these links are and where they're placed. It tells us the IP addresses. Well, this is important because we don't want links coming off, because some people basically purchase links and they all come with the same IP address. Google doesn't like that. Also, it tells us it has a legitimate do follow backlink. Yes, yes, yes. There might be ones that people have put here which have links but are set to no follow, which you get no credence off whatsoever. Also, the page title We want to basically stick to main relevancy to make sure that links are coming in off the specific sites that they were placed. And also important from an SEO perspective is the anchor text. This is a major area that people do make mistakes on, where they just basically put the anchor text as the name of their site, or just the URL of their site. What you want to be doing with your anchor text is actually specifying the key term that you're optimizing your site for. So if you're optimizing your site for example, summer vacation, or let's know something that's probably a bit too broad, but let's say for example Mexican vacation, that's the sort of term you want to be put in there. So as you can see here, this particular site, you can see the particular anchor texts that are coming into it, and this is obviously related to allergies and gluten-free allergies, wheat-free allergies, and this is basically what the anchor text says in the particular links. Here's what's given us on that particular page the amount of outbound links that are going off each page. Now, from an SEO perspective, we want to have links on pages that are relatively low. When you're in the regions like 276 links coming off one page, well, Google isn't going to give you massive amounts of credence, because there's obviously a lot coming off there. They want to see X amount, yes, but they don't want to see huge amounts. But in these regions, basically 20, 30, 40, that's okay. We can just about accept. Well, obviously areas here that could be 4s and 5s going to be better, because there's minimal coming off. Other areas here, we could of course have requested website age. There's the total links coming off. And also finally here in this particular area is the analysis view. And on the analysis view, what we have is really basically the anchor text and how it's broken down, and the keywords that are basically used in that anchor text. So all in all, this amazing tool and this first little area you've looked at gives us incredible amounts of information about the world of SEO and how you can outdo your competition. In the next video, we'll look at the next series of what SEO Elite can do. So I look forward basically to seeing you then.